welcome to today's video. So as you can see, I've already got a lot of my makeup on. Today's video is going to be a how to do a wing liner. I know wing liner is like a scary, daunting thing for so many people, myself included when I first started doing eyeliner. So today I'm just going to talk about some tips and tricks and demonstrate how I like to do my wing liner. Now, I know everyone's eye shape is different, so let me know if you have any questions on how to do your eye. I know everyone's eye shape is different, so let me know if there are any questions that you have pertaining to your eye shape if it is different from mine. I have two sisters, so maybe I can convince one of them to be a model to demo on them if you have more questions. But let's just get into it. So today I'm going to use the Tarteist lash paint. Yeah, clay paint liner. This one here I find is really easy. You can use it with a angled brush, or it does come with like a little bent liner brush as well. I find it's really easy, especially if you are kind of starting out and the thought of like a liquid scares you. I do really like liquid for the precision, but the brush is really good too. So when I do my eyeliner, I've already started the line here. I normally like to go on both eyelids. And because I'm going to be putting lashes on, I think like when you wear lashes, you do want to do a slightly thicker wing. That way it kind of camouflages the lash band a bit better. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. I'm just doing it across the eyelid. So I find doing it this way, you can kind of visualize where your eyeliner is going to end up. Next step I'm going to do is actually create like the angle, the wing part. So I do like a little angle on each eye, and this is called the anchor. So it's really important to anchor your eyeliner, because that way you can make sure that the angles are heading in the same way. And I do kind of use my brows as a guide for this. So wherever my brows are ending, the liner is kind of going on the same angle. But of course, depending on your eye shape, you want to do what works for you. Okay, so we've kind of got our like angle going out. You can tilt your head back like this. Really flattering angle, I know. Just to make sure that the angles are the same. And of course, if it is really, really different, you want to take it off and obviously start again. Just the end though. And then I'm going to connect that all up. You can see I'm like opening and closing my eyes a lot. So it is important to open and close, because you want to make sure that your eyeliner looks good when your eyes are open, and it can look very different when they're closed. So you can see I have this side done. Now I'm going to connect up the other side. So I keep flipping my mirror so I'm not leaning too far forward so you guys can actually see. Okay guys, so I have my wing liner on. I don't really need to correct anything on the edges, but if you did kind of get like a little bit low, or you don't have like as crisp of a line as you'd like, you can actually use some eyeshadow primer as an eraser. So I usually, if I need to, just put a little bit of this on my hand, and then I'll take like a clean angled brush, or just like a clean fine detailed brush, and I'll just kind of scoop that along the edges. I'll wipe off any eyeliner that comes off on my hand and then go again. And it's a really great tip instead of using concealer. Sometimes when you use concealer, especially around the lips, you can find that it kind of starts to like bring the color out that you're trying to erase. So this works like an eraser, and then if you want to make the line look even sharper, you can go on with your concealer after that. So I'm gonna pop some mascara and lashes on off camera, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. My biggest tip is it's just practice. So keep practicing. I know that it can seem very overwhelming and that it's just frustrating if you can't get it right. But hopefully with like some little tips and tricks to perfect your wing liner. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my mascara and my lashes on. You don't have to add lashes at all if you don't want to. I just wanted to be a little bit extra, a little bit more glam today. You can see how the eyeliner looks, and it definitely helps to make the lash line look thicker, even if you just wanted to put mascara on. Obviously when you're wearing lashes, you do want to even just do like a little bit of something just kind of in between the lashes, so that you don't have a gap between where the band and your real lashes are. There are so many different ways to do eyeliner, so many different eyeliners you can use to do a wing. Again, starting out, it is pretty easy to use a brush. I used to be obsessed with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Sometimes I'll still use this, but I've been really enjoying like a brush with a gel, or like the Tarteist clay paint liner. The new Too Faced Better Than Sex Eyeliner is pretty good too. I have found that my brush is like frayed a little bit. I don't know why, I haven't jammed it or anything, but that one's a really nice like matte black eyeliner. So another tip, if you were still like practicing and you wanted to practice your wing but you're a little bit scared it wouldn't look as sharp as you want, take some like dark shadow and smudge it out, like even a dark brown. That looks really nice sometimes too if you just want something a little bit more sultry. You can use that technique so it doesn't look like you've made a mistake. You feel me? I hope you enjoyed this eyeliner tutorial. I know it can be really tricky, so again, just keep practicing. Leave me any comments down below if you need more tips, want to see a tutorial using a different eyeliner, or even if I can manage to con one of my sisters into being a model, we can practice on their eyes so I can show you guys at home how to create that on your own eye shape. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and if you want to see how I achieved this look today and what it'll look like once I finish it off, the video will be linked down below, as well as my Instagram. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!